and welcome back to another video where today I'll be showing you how to download and install NoxPlayer. So first of all, you're going to go to NoxOfficial.com and you'll be greeted with this page. It may be different around here if this video is old, so I think it'll be the same steps. So you're going to scroll down a bit and you'll see this. So you're going to click download Nox for Windows. Or if you're in Mac, you're going to click download Nox for Mac. I'm on Windows, so I'm going to run it on Windows. Okay. Let's wait a bit. Sorry about my connection. And then you're going to click download now. And let's wait for it to download, I guess. Okay, it's installed now, so what I'm going to click is here, the open file button. And I'm just going to run it. Let's wait. And on the pop-up, click yes. And let's wait more. Okay. So just wait a bit. Okay, after that, this will come up, so just click next. You don't want to install it, so you want to uncheck this box. Click next. I don't want to install this. Next. Decline. And let's just wait for it to download. So yeah. Also, you can read these while you're waiting. So okay. The download will take a while. It will go different speed on different devices. So if you're like me on a slow connection, it will take a long time to download. So also, while it's downloading, I just wanted to tell you that I've been using both Android simulators, and I think that NoxPlayer is more better than BlueStacks, because NoxPlayer, like, it doesn't crash randomly, but BlueStacks I have trouble opening it and app randomly crashes. So yeah. Also, there are some steps here if you want it as well. Just go to NoxOfficial.com/NoxForPC and just scroll down a bit, and you can just read this as well if you want to. Also, before you install it, please make sure you agree to the terms of use and the privacy policy. And yeah, it's in these websites. The link will be in the description. And boom, revisit 100 memory. Pause. And after it's downloaded, something like this will come up. I'm just going to decline this. My download is complete, so I'm just going to click install now. And let's wait a bit more. Okay, now this will come up. And what you want to do, you have to accept the Nox license agreement. And since everything is default, let's start. Then you click install. And yeah, let's wait. If any interruptions come in the download, then please turn off your antivirus software and try again. And after that, you just click start. Okay, let's wait for it to load a bit. This happens at the start, so it's not like, so it doesn't matter if it takes long to load. Oh, an update. Please wait. I'll just ignore that. So you click App Center and then you log in. That's all for the video. Please like and subscribe, and goodbye. So I'll see you next time. Bye.